Hello friends, this video on ray optics part 1 is brought to you by V-Guide Physics. In this part 1 video, I am going to discuss focal length of a spherical mirror and the mirror equation. The basic concepts you can just watch our class 10 live videos. The chapter links are given in the description. In that, spherical mirror, its ray diagrams, laws of reflection and the sign convention I mentioned. Now I am starting here. How to prove R is equal to 2F. What is R? Radius of curvature. F is the focal length. See this diagram. In this diagram, I drawn a concave mirror. This red line is called principal axis. This point is called pole, focus, center of curvature. Center of the spherical mirror is called center of curvature. F is called principal focus. P is called pole. This is a concave mirror. Here I have taken a diagram in which the light ray is coming from infinity. That means rays are parallel. It incident on a concave mirror and is getting reflected. This is the light ray which is passing through C, that is retraces back. And this one is nothing but the normal to the point M. So we learn in laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So this is theta, even this also is theta. According to alternate interior angle concept, as this is theta, this also will be theta. Another one, if this full is 2 theta, this also will be 2 theta because these two lines are parallel. This line is parallel to our principal axis. So the first thing, I have written the angles only. Angle MCP we are writing as theta and angle MFD as 2 theta. After that, from the M you draw a perpendicular. Then consider two right angle triangle MCP. MFP. As this part has little spherical nature, curved nature, we are just drawing a perpendicular. So these two are our right triangle. From this right triangle, I am calculating what is tan theta. So this triangle MCD, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, MD by CD. As this angle is very small, you can write it as theta. Next you take this triangle, that is tan of 2 theta, opposite side by adjacent side, MD by FD. That will be equal to 2 theta. Next one, remember CD, that can be approximately equal to CP. FD approx to FP. So you can write FD approx to FP, that is F. CD approx to CP, that is R. After that, I am substituting 2 into theta. 2 into theta value, MD by CD is equal to MD by FD. MD get cancelled. CD you can write as CP. FD you can write FP. That is 2 by CP equals 1 by FP. Cross multiply. 2FP equal PC. Or 2F equal to R, or R is equal to 2F. So this is the first derivation of this chapter. Show that radius of curvature is 2 times of the focal length. Next. In 10th class, we learn mirror equation. Now we are going to prove mirror equation. Here also I have taken as concave mirror. Same like points we are marking, pole, focus, C. I am keeping an object beyond C. Then draw the ray diagram. Light ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection goes through focus. Light ray incidentally at an angle at P. It's getting reflected at the same angle. Light ray going through C will retraces back the path. So I have taken 3 rules for drawing the ray diagram. After that, it's very simple. What you should do is, you have to consider 2 similar triangles. So the triangle what I am considering is A dash B dash F and MPF. That is image A dash B dash F. That is this one. And its vertically opposite angle MPF. So I am taking the similar sides. B dash by A divided by PM. That means we are taking the similar sides is equal to B dash F by PF. Why we are taking this triangle? Actually, we are taking 2 triangles with respect to F. As your object is here, this AB is similar to your PM. So we are considering this AB and PM are same. So what we are doing? PM is nothing but your AB. So I can rewrite this equation as B dash A dash by PM. I am writing as BA is equal to B dash F by PF. Equation number 1. So first you remember this triangle with respect to F I am taking. Next one, object with respect to P, image with respect to P. Like that 2 triangle we should take. Okay. So AB is your object, A dash B dash is your image. So object with respect to P means triangle is ABP. Image with respect to P is A dash B dash P. So you take these 2, A dash B dash P and ABP. These 2 triangles also similar. Then because we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That only I wrote it here. APB is equal to A dash PB dash. So from here also you do the same thing. B dash A dash by BA is equal to B dash P by BP. Equation number 2. These 2 equations, if you are equating, what will happen? Because if you see equation number 1 and 2, B dash A dash by BA, this also B dash A dash by BA. So we can equate the right sides. Right sides, B dash F by PF equals B dash P by BP. Then what is B dash F? This distance. This I can take it as PB dash minus PF. Because we know that PB dash is the object image distance. PF is a focal length. So I am just writing B dash F as B dash P minus FP by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. Now next step is simple only. We are just substituting the distance, image, letters. What is B dash P? B dash P is the V. What is FP? F. What is BP? U. So I am doing that V minus F by F is equal to V by U, because P dash B, B dash P and BP, they are V and U. After that, I am dividing V by F minus F by F is 1 is equal to V by U. Divide the total equation by V. So we can write here 1 by F minus 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. Take this term to the other side. 1 by V plus 1 by U equals 1 by F, and this equation is called as mirror equation. This equation is called mirror equation. So see here, for taking the mirror equation, you are considering two similar triangles with respect to F. Then you consider two similar triangles with respect to P. So we are taken like the two similar triangles taking the congruency. When we are taking the similar sides, you have to equate here what is B dash A by BA. Equate both. After equating, we can't find B dash F. So we are writing in terms of B dash P minus FP. Then just substitute the value B dash P. B dash P we are writing it as V. PF, F, FP, F, B dash P, V, BP, U. We are substituting. Denominator dividing. Then we get an equation 1 by V plus 1 by U equals 1 by F. This equation is called mirror equation. Thank you. Subscribe and share the videos of class 1 to 12 for boards, foundation, NEET and JEE by Team V Guide Physics.